Today we're going to modify a Logitech racing wheel to control my RC car. I'm going to use this OrangeRX transmitter because it's compatible with receiver already present in my car and it has got a long range. Time for some soldering. To create the signal, I'll be using a couple of Arduinos. I didn't get the code to work when using only one. The Arduinos communicate via I2C. The concept is working, time to modify the wheel. Everything will be placed inside the racing wheel's body. By using hot glue, all components will be removable without an excess of damage. Using a DC-DC converter, I'll have a steady 5-volt source powering both Arduinos. All power will be drawn from the original power jack. After connection, I fixed all wires in place using more hot glue. Time for the final assembly. Now I need to bind the RC wheel to my car. Success! I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe and maybe leave a comment. I hope to see you in the next video where we will have some fun testing the steering wheel using some FPV.